Hello everyone, welcome to what is probably going to be the final ever car modification that we do here at this house. And today, what we are going to be doing is something that I've wanted to do for a while and just never got around to doing, which is painting the valve cover and painting the intake manifold on the Corolla. So let me show you how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna be starting off using this high temperature engine enamel primer. Then we're gonna move to the high heat Rust-Oleum silver with a nice little flake in it. And then on the intake manifold, we're just gonna jump straight to the clear and make it all nice and shiny. And then for the actual valve cover, we're gonna use this silver, and then on top of that, using this blue tint, which I've never used before, and I'm curious to see how it turns out. This has got a little bit of flake in it, but I think the silver is definitely gonna bring that out a lot better. So I'm very excited. And then obviously going to use the clear coat on top of the blue. Now, I shouldn't lie to you guys. I've already done it. Yep, it's another one of those videos where I recorded the video before I recorded the intro. So anyway, let's get on to the painting process. It's okay. I've seen cleaner, but it's not terrible. Actually, no, that's pretty good. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's actually pretty good. here is the finished product. Now when I was reinstalling everything, it was pretty late at night, pretty dark, so I figured I might as well just put everything back together and then show it off all completed. I want to show you guys some of the imperfections in here. For starters, where I masked a little bit poorly, and so when I took off my tape, it kind of took some of the paint with it. Also, when I was installing the valve cover, I scratched up this side here from the bracket that usually holds up this wiring harness, but I've taken it off since then. When I installed it, I didn't wear gloves, and so I got a little dirt on the manifold right here, as well as scraping it a little bit on the radiator. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I really like the color, and I really like the flake in it as well. I'll see if I can get a light shining on it, and you can see the flake in the paint. It's a little orange peely, but it's not bad at all. And then maybe in the future I'll end up painting the cap here, but for now it's just gonna stay dark gray. But there it is. That is the updated engine bay. And with that, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the final ever modification to be done in this garage. There's been a lot of stuff done here, and it's coming to an end. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.